It was an absorbing story and had a very clear message that you wanted to convey to the audience at any point of time in your life.
As a matter of fact, I am hearing this speaker for the first time. And the objectives what have been given, 60% covered. What I expected from
Positive only.
Positive.
Only positive.
60% covered.
Only positive.
Only positive. The remaining-
Our area
Okay.
is only positive.
And it's a very, and that's what I said, I mean, I'm doing it for the first time. The scene, what he wanted to convey has been very candidly, openly done, and everybody could guess what was going on.
Pallavi, what did you like about the speech?
The story was really touching and the message was really nice and applicable to all. Very touching story. With the ending, what goes around comes around is really to every one of us.
So,
Emotional story with a good message.
In the same touching story and good working with the team.
I like the message which said develop an attitude of gratitude.
points for improvement from here.
I want to know where is the entertaining in this whole speech? Yes, manual says entertaining. I want to read the picture. Draw entertaining material from sources. I am not able to, frankly speaking, nowhere I could get any entertaining or anything, some giggling also. So, okay, other than personal story, we can change the names here and there, put some intro X, why you have made it, okay, that's fine. But add the name to suit your personality, okay. You want to be very kind and you convey the message, fine. But one, other than the entertaining, pass.
Santosh.
Sometimes translation confused the gentleman and the person. That has to be forced and you speak if we understand. Thank you.
Well, just to elaborate on Rajin's point, I mean, entertainment is basically, it needs to be amusing. The speech needs to be amusing. It wasn't an amusing speech, though it was well meant, well said. And just to add on to that is the tone was just monotonous.
So I found something on the total speeches to add the impact in the speech. You can have much more dramatized it with the character names, and you would bring the authenticity of the whole story by voice modulation with that, because you had more an emotion aspect. The voice would have been a better off where you can really feel that it's genuinity on the whole subject. That is slightly, there's a gap between what you're trying to speak and what was the fact.
After you.
Yeah, see, one small observation that I have is
For or after?
improvement, points of improvement.
Balaji?
With your voice being a little lower, definitely we had the mic available, we should have used it.
I would like to summarize actually. I would disagree with a lot of people here because nowhere that the manual says that you should be amusing, nowhere does the manual says that you should make people laugh. Even a movie which we watch which is very serious and we cry over there is also called entertaining.
Yeah.
Okay, so for me this is an entertaining speech because it doesn't need to be humorous, number one. Number two, the story was very good, and if you ask me, this is the best project I've ever listened to from Gauri Shankar. Till now I've actually listened to a lot of stuff. Yeah? His delivery today was almost at the best because he was involved in the speech. His voice, of course I agree with you, a little bit of voice definitely could have been improved. Gestures were really good today. When he wanted to show the money in his pocket, he actually was tapping into his pocket. It was quite natural. What I liked very much is the language which he used at one of the sentences, saying, I thought that when he was talking about the emotions, I thought he'll express something else, but he said by this time the man had died 10 times. That language was brilliantly used at the right time. In terms of areas of improvement, most of them have said everything. But Gauri, one point which you should understand as an advanced Toastmaster, is when you're addressing another person, you should know where to stand and how to speak. If you're standing at one place and you're trying to narrate a story, all the characters are jumbled. For me now, the wife, the old woman, the receptionist, the person who is narrating the story, everybody is there. So probably as an advanced Toastmaster, get that part. And when your wife has successfully delivered a baby, pause and emote. If you continue like a train, then you're not entertaining us. Entertaining also means that you pause and make sure that we understand what your emotions are. Think other than that, fantastic speech today.